on the utilization of lesson script. Bago na po, no? Bago na po ba? Bago may kakalungog dati. Okay, this is the program support for the development of lesson script for the NRP. What is NRP? What is NMP? And CUF? Catch Up Friday. So, wala, kita matingali ko nung pag-grade 7 na manuta ko nun eh. Pero, this is in the support of the development of the NRP, the National Reading Program, NMP, National Mathematics Program, and Catch Up Friday. So, this activity aims to orient participants on the utilization of the lesson script, orient and review on the format of the lesson script and rubrics for evaluation. Engage in the development of lesson script based on the budget of work and areas of integration. Ang samantay mga integration for the Catch Up Friday. Okay, for the reading is education, values education, and health. Then to review and finalize the lesson script based on the rubrics for evaluation. So for more information, let us listen to our speakers for this morning. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Pagikan, for the statement of purpose. And this, ladies and gentlemen, to give us an inspirational message, let us give a round of applause to our PSDS, Ma'am Marianyope Binibuat. Let us give her a round of applause.
Lesson morning, everyone. God is good all the time. All the time. God is good. We have to thank the Lord for giving us good health and fine weather this morning. Pinabi sa masipang kapat. Ang pagpapag ikan sa kasintasin. Kaya itong nauna-un na bisan pagkun sa kadakahan sa kwarta o masakiton. Why mahimo? Okay, again, a big hand for the Lord. Okay, so it is already, the statement of purpose was already given. You are here so that you will be assisted. No? This is for your technical assistance. How to go about with the National Reading Program, the National Mathematics Program, and Catch Up Friday. Muna. What are these for? Kung sa ganin silang kanan para sa katang due to pandemic? Yes. National Learning Recovery Program, which includes also the NLC. Muna sila. So, naa naman ang mga lesson scripts, tagaan lang mo. So, I will just be giving you the reminders for the opening of classes because we have our newest GOD. Nakailan mo? Katong newest GOD chief. The previous GOD chief, isa mo ito. Dr. Marcela Bautista. Now we have Dr. Wilfreda Lord. She is already our newest GOD chief. Nakaisa na ni Wilfreda na very active. Very active sa lihok. Active for no sinabaan. We must all be careful. Mabantay kita. And she has already some reminders for all of us, for all the students, and for you, my dear teacher. Sa opening of classes, ang forward sa group chat, i-feature po ang flag raising ceremony. What time? What time? time man mo mag-vibration?
7:15.
7:30. Okay. Then, a short program to introduce introduction to all your teachers. What na makita ko no ha? What na makita nga naapay nagpa-enroll? All must be inside the classrooms, schools, naanay mga tarpaulin, welcome back to school for school year 2024-2025. Okay. Pwede butangan, one tarpaulin at the gate, one at sa school. No? We have your stage. Then all the teachers, diretso na og leksyon. Hindi ka Monday. With your video na nag-lesson proper na.
Leksyon naman.
Okay,
Sinadayon.
diretso na. Hindi ka sa una nga, mag-video pa. Because all our schools are ready because of the Brigada Escuela. All staff must be in complete uniform. Hindi pa man i-require ang uniform sa mga estudyante, no? But all the teachers, teaching and non-teaching personnel should be in complete uniform and bisa pa kung sa kamahal na itong kabayanan, kung sa kamahal ng inyong outland, nila sa juda sa naon. So what will you wear? Clothes, black shoes, black. Hindi rak black. Lesson plan or instructional plan, walay makasuhan nga conducted diagnostic test. Ang mga mitanan, mga reminders. Okay. Kaya sa una nga magbutang ng diagnostic test. Okay, regarding the DepEd order number 005, naman to. So please, as submitted at the district level during the previous years, the principals will only submit the consolidated copy. This time, one copy per teacher of your teacher's program, indicating the total number of actual teaching load and another 2 hours. So, indicate na ganito. Another, pamitan na naman ko, si Mayor niya at gabi sa bahay, turo ko din isang kanta. And she was asking me, Ma'am, why are there many teachers applicants, no? Teacher applicants nga. At ko sa office. Hindi ko na nang baka na sa mga principal. Wa, nagadto kay ko na pag-politika. No? Inihampay na ba karon sa number of hours. So, naawa lagi dahil sila rato. And aside from that, teacher applicants, if you need if you need more staff in your school, you must submit your teacher student ratio. Hindi ka magdama-dama o hire o mga local. Okay? So I am sure you will learn many things out of this seminar. So there are elementary teachers joining the eye, no? Those who celebrated Fiesta. Okay. So, ako mag-guys so that you can start, and we'll have who will be our demonstration teachers this afternoon. Pagbugtong, Ah, only one? Ah, sige. So, good luck. Just sit back and relax like maklase na dito. Sa Lunes. Thank you and good morning.
Thank you, Ma'am Gigi. Let's give another round of applause to our PSDS. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, let me give you the flow of our seminar today. So we just finished our part 2, which is the opening the opening ceremonies. We shall proceed to part 3, or the session proper. Our session 1, we have 8:30 to 9:30. The session 1, after which follows the session 2 from 9:30 to 10:30. Then we will have a health break at 10:30 to 10:45. Then we shall resume with our session 3 at 10:45 to 12. Then we will have our lunch break at 12 to 1, and we shall start with our demonstration lesson teaching from 1 to 2, and then to 2 to 3, 2 to 2:30 will be the feedback giving. At 2:30 to 3, we will have our open forum and the presentation of recalibrated class program. At 3 o'clock to 3:30, we will have our closing program, and by 3:30 down, we can have an optional staff meeting with your respective schools. All right. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, let us now begin our session 1, entitled "Guidelines on the Utilization of Lesson Script." Let us give a round of applause to our facilitator, Mrs. Gina Castañares, LUHS Principal.
Hello, Julio. Hello, my class. Hello. Requesting all those who are outside dapat ay lingkuranan sa sul. Isa'y makaling mo diya sa likod. Ya? Ay naghan. Hindi na kutip ka mo likod, bantay mo lingkod ka.
Suot ko naman.
Sir, how? Ano lang kapitasan na ba, Sir?
Sir, adari.
Ma'am Judy, ano yun? Ikon sa ko.
Dadari.
Oh, Sir Alberto Puno, Sir Jonathan. Ma'am Judy, Sir How, please get inside kay Gapang Trabas, ma'am. Kung pilay, wa diha. Yan na aram day mo sa likod, maapil ka din mo sa wa diha. Okay. Okay, once again, good morning everyone.